In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate images using open source Hugging Face models by configuring Hugging Face MCP. You can start by downloading model that supports tool usage. For this, navigate to your model search window, and from your model search window, you can download models that support tool use. You can verify that model supports tool use if it has this hammer icon near its name. After you downloaded model that supports tool usage, navigate to your models window. Left click on it to select. Open your side panel in the upper right corner. Click load model and configure parameters however you want. Click load model again. Wait for your model to finish loading and switch to your chats tab. From it, if you does not have sidebar open it again upper right corner and click on this install button. It will open drop down and select from it edit MCP JSON. Read this warning, click got. If you're wondering what MCP is protocol with which your LLM model is able to communicate and call tools to your service or application for which MCP server is configured for. After this, navigate to the official LM Studio documentation, either from searching it in your search engine or from the links in the description, and copy this example MCP server configuration to your MCP JSON file in LM Studio. After this, click Save, and one thing you left to do is to configure your Hugging Face token. For this, open your browser again and navigate to the Hugging Face official website. From it, click on your profile picture and select Settings, or select Settings from your profile page. If you switch to MCP Server tab configuration, you will be able to add any MCP compatible spaces or open source models of that you want. In my case, I already have some MCP tool linked automatically. It's worth noting that when you generate images using any of these open source space tools, it's been automatically saved on the Hugging Face or third-party servers, so you not completely own generated image or keep your confidentiality with it. For retrieving Hugging Face access token, switch to these access token tabs inside your settings. Right here, click on the Create New Token button, name it however you want, and everything else you can leave by default, because we are only going to use it for tools calls. Copy this token. Another important note for you is not to share this token, and whoever gets this token would be able to generate images from your account identity, so I do not recommend sharing this token with who you don't want to have access to your account generation capabilities. Click Copy Token to Clipboard and press Done. After you press Done, this token entry will appear in your Access Tokens Settings tab, and you can return back to your LM Studio application. Inside your LM Studio application, paste this Hugging Face token that you just generated and click Save. After this, in your right side panel, you can activate MCP server for Hugging Face, and it should start initializing server. After this, you can select tools that you want your model to have access to. In my case, I only want it to have access to image generation, so I turn off other tools from this MCP server. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make video about MCP server and what it is. After you configured your MCP server, switch back to chat window. Pick model that you loaded earlier and ask it to generate image that you want. As you can see, our model started reasoning, and our model decided to call our image generation tool. We can decide whether we want to proceed with this action or deny it. I press proceed, and if you're getting any error when generating image, such as I was, for example, I was getting accelerator error, try to load different model. I have tried generating image using Gemma and Nematron, and if one model is unable to generate image, try another. And if model switch isn't helping, try to add different Hugging Face space for your image generation. As we can see, our Nematron generated new image. Let's try to copy this URL and open it in new tab. As you can see, this works pretty well, and this way you can generate simple images using your LM Studio. If you want me to show you how you can generate images inside LM Studio using Stable Diffusion Web UI, let me know in the comments